Intent data is very helpful when you're trying to prioritize where your sales team is focused and what their outreach looks like. I'll give you an example. In this organization, we started to see some intent with this company looking at Bombora intent signals around strategy, attribution, and such, which then led to outbound LinkedIn ads and campaigns. I'll give you a quick summary of this data here using AI, where we saw both paid social, G2, and intent signals coming in around this organization. From there, we then prioritized our sales team to start doing outreach, which you can see here, lots of emails going out to this organization as we started to prioritize the outreach, which eventually resulted in this organization showing up at one of our events that you can see right here. So again, intent is a great way of helping your sales team prioritize which accounts to target and go after, and then understanding what type of outbound they should be performing.